Hello everyone, it's Susan and Luke here with the Outdoor Gear Review, and today we have a viewer mail explosion episode.
Explosion. We have 2 episodes. You all have been absolutely amazing, and we appreciate your generosity more than anything. I mean, look at this pile here, and this is only a sample of what we have.
Yes, we've tried to divide it up, and we're going to try to get through all the packages. Like Luke said, everyone's been so generous, and it's awesome, and I can't wait to see what we have.
What's in the boxes?
I know, some of them smell good.
Gosh.
Like, smell this one.
Oh, man. That
Yeah.
one smells so good. I know what's in this one.
You do.
Yeah. That's from Shirley. She is so sweet.
Well, I can tell just from the smell, and it's not what you guys are thinking, so I think we should start with this one.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, that's right. Luke likes to open things from the bottom.
That is the best smelling box of all time. I mean, that really smells good.
It smells great. And I think everyone is thinking that we're about to open some coffee.
Which we're not. Gosh, that smells so good.
It just keeps smelling better and better.
So what we have here are all different types of soap.
Oh, that smells so good.
It does. Gosh, that smells amazing.
Yeah.
Shirley,
it
thank you
all-
so very much.
Yes, thank you so much.
You are so sweet. I love talking to Shirley. We talk
Ooh.
all the time on Patreon and whatnot.
Wow, so this is a very long letter. I won't read it on camera, but thank you so much, Shirley, for the soap. Amazing. Wow. There's oats and honey, handmade soap. She says, I know this gift has nothing to do with your adventures, but I first wanted somehow to show my appreciation for all you do.
Aw.
Thank you so much. I've loved getting in the woods, taking coffee hikes, discovering new trails in my area, and it's all your fault.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, that
We
is awesome.
We are so sorry.
Yeah.
Moving on, what do we have, Susie?
Let's get into our little envelopes. This comes from Adam.
Adam, how's it going, buddy? Hope you're doing well.
Dear Luke, just wanted to write you and say again, thank you for being the cool guy that you are, and I continue to love all your videos, as does my cat.
That's awesome.
I think she loves you. Hope that made you laugh. It did.
Yep.
Anyways, I'm sending love and good vibes to your family, and I'm proud to be part of TOGR family. Thanks, bro. Your bro, Adam.
Heck yeah. Buddy, you are appreciated. And the truth is, everyone, they are family.
They are.
You are family. We appreciate you all very much. We love talking to you. Every day, I get to answer emails. We do Facebook messages, and it's a blast.
Yeah, we do. We both talk to people, and it's nice to get a handwritten letter, too, you
Yeah.
know? Feel free to always email, send a message, or write us a letter.
I like the
all-
old way.
Yeah, this
There's
is...
something nice about that.
We're all missing this in our life,
Right.
so everyone should write a letter.
True.
Okay.
And this one comes from
Dennis.
Dennis.
Dennis, what have you sent?
Dennis, I hope you're doing well, buddy. I know you've had some health issues recently, so hopefully you are recovering, good sir. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's funny.
Look. Dennis from Delaware says, Luke and Susie, just a little present to thank you for great videos that you put on YouTube. Thank you so much.
We have enough coffee in this box to last us, what, 2 or 3 trips? Easy.
Yeah, maybe two.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Yeah.
I don't know. It depends on how long we stay out.
Right. This stuff is very good. It gives you a jolt. It does have side effects you have to be prepared for.
Yeah, speed and power. So, Dennis says a gas grill top for your Mr. Heater buddy will be sent shortly.
What?
Wow. See you on the internet. All right, Dennis.
Hey,
Wow.
Dennis, thank you so very much, bud. We do appreciate it big time, and so does the buzzard. Check him out right there.
Ooh, yeah.
He's waiting for us to die, I think.
Maybe so.
Yeah.
He's trying to get our coffee.
I think so. Dennis, my friend, make sure to take care of yourself. We will talk online. Who's this one from?
Rob and Annette. So,
Hi, you
let's
two.
see.
How goes 2020 so far? Hopefully you both are coronavirus free.
It's very long, so I'm not going to read it all on camera. Just going to have to summarize it.
Beautiful handwriting.
Yeah, dear Luke, Susan, and family, hope this letter finds all of you in good health and spirit.
Definitely.
They watch our videos and They love hearing about our family and everything that's going on.
So, talking about that, our family, our daughter, who's in the Navy, is about to be deployed for her very first mission.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yep, everybody always asks about our kids, and so the latest would be that Madison is going to be deployed. Lucas works, and he's finishing up his senior year of high school. Honestly, I think he has senioritis. You all get that when you're in 12th grade and you're
Definitely.
so close to finishing, but you're not quite there. He has that very bad where you just want to be done, but he's close. I'm keeping him focused, and he's going to be done soon, and who knows?
How many more months?
We're just down to like 2 months now.
Wow.
It's just,
Wow.
it's so close.
Can't believe it.
Yeah.
We did it.
I know. It's exciting. But everyone's really doing great, and that's the latest with them. Thank you guys, Rob, Annette, Kate, Mark, Luke, and Dominic for
Thank you all so much.
The cards, the letters, and sharing about your family. We enjoy hearing where you guys are at and what you're doing as well.
Oh, wow. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, folks. This is a little bit late. The weather here has just been, it's been on, just nonstop. Every day it's rain, it's snow, it's sleet, it's something.
Yes.
So we've really fallen behind, as you all can tell.
We are behind,
Yeah.
and
But there's family photos and stuff. We'll
Yeah.
wait to open this. This is
Yeah.
private, but thank you guys so much. We do
thank
appreciate
you for
it.
sharing so much.
Yeah. I love it. I love hearing from everybody. I mean, it really is like getting a letter from your family.
It is, and I like hearing what you guys are doing and what's new for you and what trips and adventures, so that's fun for us to hear about that too. All right, we have more mail to get to.
This one comes from Richard. What's in the box, man?
I don't know.
What do you think?
It's heavy.
Yeah.
I think you should open it from the top though. No more of this bottom business.
What about the side?
Mm,
No? Oh, snap.
your favorite.
Yes.
I will let's see, I will grab this.
Okay. So what we have here are a bunch of 24-hour rations. Combat rations.
Yep, 24-hour MRE ration meals and 2 coffee packs. So much,
Richard, we appreciate it, buddy.
Very nice.
Yep. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Moving on to our final box. This one comes from Ryan, and I'm excited to see what's inside of this. I have a good idea what's in here.
Right?
Yep. So, Ryan, let's see your handiwork, buddy. Wow. Now, from what I understand, Ryan has been making these jackets
Yeah.
by hand. And I tell you what, man,
Very
the
nice.
quality is really, really good. That's a nice jacket right there. Can you all believe this? Somebody made this by hand.
That's amazing.
That is. Wow. So check that out. Wow. This is awesome.
Here's another style. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very
Wow.
nice.
This is like Christmas,
I know.
except the bugs are out.
Christmas in what month is it?
March.
March.
Wow, check this out.
That one's really nice.
Yeah. Wow, that fits me perfectly. Oh, wow. Thank you, Ryan, so very much. This is way too nice.
Super nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
It just needs to cool down just a little bit. Maybe.
Maybe. It's possible.
Yeah.
It's possible.
I'm blown away.
I know. So nice. Well, that was a lot of your mail to get through in that one episode, and all of it is great. We can't say thank you enough to all of the viewers out there. No matter if it's a package, a letter, a Facebook message, or an email, we read it, we appreciate it, we love hearing from everybody. Thank you, thank you. Can't say that enough. You guys are awesome.
I mean, it's obvious that you guys have all gone above and beyond, and it really does mean a lot to Susan and I. It really does.
It does.
Yeah, so thank you. Strength and honor. Everybody take care. Be well. Be safe. Wash your hands. Don't stick your fingers in your mouths and your eyes. We'll try to make it through the coronavirus together. With the channel here, Susan and I are trying to do more adventures. So for the people who are staying at home, have something to watch.
Yes, and remember, hopefully you can get into the woods and get away from people. So
That's right. Take care, everybody. Thank you.
bye.
Bye.